Good morning, students. In my previous class, I have given you the short answers, textual short answers of institutional representation of democracy. And today, I'll give the question answers. That is D. Let's recall. D, number 1. Look at page number 95. D, question number 1. What are the elections and what are the different levels at which elections are held in India? So what are elections? That means here you have to give the definition. What is an election? And that you will get in page number 91. That means the first page of the chapter. Heading election. There you see the third line of heading election. An election is a contest between various political parties for getting their representatives elected with the intention to form the government. This is the definition of election. That means the first part of question number 1. What are the different levels at which elections are held in India? That you will get in the same page, the heading election process. In election process, second paragraph, that means the last paragraph of the page, you have to, what are the different levels? So you have to only the mention. So point number A, elections are held for the formation of government at the center, which is called Lok Sabha election. That is number A. Then number B, at the state level, or you can write elections are conducted at the state level, we will write afterwards. Elections are conducted to elect representatives to the legislative assemblies, which is called state level election. And third, at the local level, people elect panchayat members in the villages and municipal councillors in towns and cities. If it comes for more than 2 marks, then you will write this. If it comes only for 2 marks, though 3 names, but if it comes for less marks, then you will write only number A. At the central level, called Lok Sabha election. Then point number B, at the state level, and point number C, local level. Only the name of the levels you have to write, if it is for less marks. And if it is for more marks, then what I said that from the paragraph, elections held for formation of government at the center, in details you read. Okay? Understood, children? You have to mention only the central level, state level, local level for the less marks, and in details you write for the more marks. So this is, whole thing is in number 1. Then number 2, what are the functions of the election commission? That you will get in next page, page number 92. Fifth line you see from the beginning of the page. Fifth line. The Election Commission fixes and announces the dates of elections and ensures that elections are held peacefully. The Commission prepares a voter list which contains the names of those adult citizens who are eligible to vote. So this much. Question number 2. Answer number 2. Then number 3. What is a political party? Name 3 political parties that have a large presence in India. So first part of question number 3 is what is a political party, and that you will get in page number 93. Political parties, heading political parties, there you see the second paragraph. So from the beginning of the paragraph, when people with common political agenda and goals come together to form a party, they are called political party. This is the first part, and then name 3 political parties that have a large presence in India. Same page, but the other side you see national and regional parties, heading Congress in bracket I, then Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP short form, and Communist Party of India, CPI in bracket M. So these are the 3 major national parties which are large presence in India. So these 3 names you have to write. Congress, BJP means you have to write the full form, not only BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, and number C, Communist Party of India, not CPI or CPIM, no, Communist Party of India, full form you have to write. Then differentiate between bi-party and multi-party system. Here you see bi-party in the same page, page number 93. So it is directly you will not get, but you will write in this way. In bi-party system, there are 2 political parties. In bi-party system, there are 2 political parties, whereas in multi-party system, there are 3 or more parties. There are at least 3 or more parties, or you can write it this way, but in multi-party system, there are more than 2 parties. Okay? Then number 5. Why are the election symbols important? In page number 92, the other second row you see, each candidate has an election symbol. Then after full stop, election symbol signifies the political party he or she belongs. each candidate has an election symbol, and after this you can write and election symbol has some significances. You write this way: each candidate has an election symbol, and election symbol has some significances. After this, full stop. Then each signifies, no need which. After full stop you write each signifies the political party he or she belongs. He or she belongs to. Full stop. Then people who cannot read can identify the candidate by the symbols. People who cannot read can easily identify the candidate by the symbol. Okay. Then number 6, give 2 roles of the opposition party in a democracy. In page number 93. The role of opposition is no less important than that of the government. Have you got this slide? So there are some 3 points are mentioned. So you will begin in this way: opposition party. The opposition party plays an important role in democracy. The opposition party plays an important role in democracy. After this, there are 3 points given. So any 2 points you can write down. So here you are asked to write 2. So any 2 points you can write. First point is given: it is the duty of the opposition to ensure that the government does not take measures that destroy the rights of the citizen or become dictatorial in nature. They can shape public opinion and also help to express it. And the third point, the opposition keeps a close eye on how the government functions and questions the government on its policies. So up to policies you can write point number 3. So any 2 points you can choose from here. Alright. So with this, I think we have completed the lesson. And next class I will give the environment, that lesson explanation is completed, but question answer I have not given. So next class I will give the question answers of the question. Okay. Alright.